Hello and welcome to Olive Board platform. So in this session, we are going to discuss about SSC CGL skill test. Each and every detail will be explained. So watch this video till the end. Okay, let's start it. First of all, as we know that this particular exam is consist of a first stage, that is your tier 1. Now, what is the syllabus of this tier 1? So, basically your tier 1 is consist of 4 subjects. First is reasoning, then after general awareness, competitive aptitude, and then after your English comprehensive. Each subject contain 25 questions, and each questions contain around 2 numbers. So, that means the total marks of these 25 question is 50, right? And for to cater these 4 subjects, you will receive around 60 minutes in a tier 1, or you can say in a prelims, right? Then after, oh, just a minute. Now, after this prelims, you have to face your tier 2, that is mains part. So paper 1 is consist of section 1, where basically it is consist of 2 sections, as you can see here, and also a 3 section 2. Now let's talk about the first section. Your first section is consist of 2 modules. Module 1 contain mathematics, number of question 30, marks 90, weightage 23%, total are 1 hour. And in a section 1, there's another module second, which is cover reasoning part. Total number of question 30, marks 90, 23% again. So for mathematics and the reasoning part, you will receive 1 hour, right? Now, your section 2 again consists of module 2 modules. Module 1 contain English language, contain 45 question, marks 135 and weightage is 35%. While the module 2 contain the general awareness, marks 25, question 25 and contain 75 marks, and the percentage is 19%, okay? Then, as I have already mentioned that it is consist of 3 sections, section 1, 2 modules, section 2, 2 modules, and your section 3. Section 3 is also consist of 2 modules. First is your computer knowledge test, and second is your data entry speed test, that is your DST. Now, computer knowledge you will receive around, or you have to face around 20 questions, mark 60. It is in qualifying in nature, and to cater these 20 questions, you will receive around 15 minutes. For the data entry speed, 1 data entry text for 90 qualifying, and also receive a 15 minutes. Now, this is a tier 2, that is which is consist of paper 1 and paper 2 syllabus. Paper second and paper 3rd, basically paper 2nd for the statistics section, and the number of question is 100, maximum marks 200, duration 2 hours. Your paper 3rd is consist of general studies, which is again for the category of finance and economics only. Number of question 100, maximum marks 200, and duration is 2 hours, okay? Basically, your module 2nd of section 3rd, that means this, module 2nd and section 3rd, okay, data entry. Paper 3rd will include conducting of DST, that is your data entry speed test, for a duration of 15 minutes in section 2 on the same day especially. Then after, the DST skill test will be conducted for a passage of about 2000 key depression for a duration of 20 or 15 minutes, right? Then after, DST will be mandatory for all the posts, however, it will be qualifying in nature. Now, DST will be conducted in the manner decided by the commission for the purpose, and only BD OH candidates are eligible for the exemption from attempting the DST part. The instructions, especially for the DST part, that is your candidates are expected to type the words, figure and numerical years in the manner as given in the question paper, both in English as well as in Hindi. Mistake will be treated if a candidate typed differently or in other language. This applies for both in English and Hindi medium. The candidate is required to type the test passage in the medium opted by him. Example, if he opt for English medium and he is required to type in English language and vice versa. No credit will be given if a candidate type in a medium not opted by him. Okay. Candidates are required to use tab key for beginning of any para rather than giving space manually. Every para where the space given without pressing the tab key will be treated as a half a mistake. Now, candidates are not required to repeat the passage if he or she has completed the passage once and has time in her disposal. However, they are allowed to receive and correct their mistakes and inaccuracies, if any, during the prescribed time. Next is, after every punctuation mark, only one space is to be inserted. Okay. Example, after comma, full stop, mark of interrogation, etc. However, candidates are advised to follow the question paper scrupulously in this regard. Any irrelevant meta numerical type will be treated as a mistake. Any incomplete word arising due to any reason will be treated as one full mistake. Now, while shortlisting the candidate for the post where computer proficiency is prescribed with assistant section officer in CSS, MEA and AFHQ, assistant in serious fraud investigation office under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, assistant GSI in the Ministry of Mines, assistant in Indian Meteorological Department, Ministry of Earth Science, inspector CGST and Central Excise, inspector preventive officer, inspector examiner executive assistant in CBIC, and postal assistant sorting assistant in Department of Post. Okay. Now, while shortlisting the candidate for the post where the DST is prescribed, tax assistant in CBIC, tax assistant in CBDT, UDC, SSA in Central Bureau of Narcotics, that is the Ministry of Finance, under or higher qualifying standard will be set in the comparison to other posts. Now, in a case of evaluation of the DST, so full mistake basically contain for every omission of a word or figure, for every substitution of a wrong word, figure, except transposition of words, for every addition of a word figure not found in the passage, for every spelling error committed by the way of repetition or addition or omission or substitution of a letters. Example, the word spelling, right, typed as seepling, okay, so, or sapling or spelling or spling, etc. So, these are the type of mistake we have given you for the idea part. Now, for repetition of word figure, that is I shall be grateful, okay. Incomplete word, half typed word will be treated as a mistake. So, these are the part, especially in a case of these kind, you can consider it as a nature of mistakes. Now, again, the nature of mistakes, for example, spacing error is the major mistake conducted by the students, especially where no space is provided between two words. Example, I hope, this will be considered as a mistake, or undesired space is provided between the word or letter. Okay, for example, I and you just put a space, have. Okay, it will also considered as a mistake. Wrong capitalization, wrong type of capital letter for small letter or vice versa. Punctuation error, transportation error, paragraphic error are usually considered as the nature of mistakes in the evaluation of the DST. So, this is the detail of the DST, especially everyone, especially for the skill test. So, here we have completed this part. I hope so you like this session. If you like this session, just release this and express this information with all your friends. Thank you.